Harness the power of automation with Afunture solutions. Embracing cleaning automation is not just a step forward, it's a transformation that promises to elevate both the guest experience and operational efficiency to unprecedented levels. Afunture Solutions is at the forefront, leading the charge in reshaping the future of facilities management with cutting-edge cleaning automation solutions. We're here to establish a brand new benchmark for quality and sustainability within the industry to create and realign job duties that are more meaningful and rewarding for staff, management, and above all, customers. Cleaning automation, driven by AI, sensors, and LiDAR, minimizes the need for manual labor, allowing organizations to reallocate resources efficiently. These autonomous machines adapt to changing environments, saving costs and optimizing cleaning processes. More importantly, it works in conjunction with existing staff to reduce their workload in general maintenance while shifting focus to more thorough and detailed cleaning. Whether you're a business development partner or an end user of automation, we offer a streamlined process for integrating our cutting-edge robotic machinery and provide comprehensive consultation to ensure that our robotic hardware and software are finely tuned to maximize their effectiveness in advancing your operational objectives. Our robotics provide a systematic breakdown of tasks performed and their frequency, resulting in reliable data that empowers management to make proactive and constructive decisions. This data-driven approach allows for vigilant and positive surveillance of property and operations. Afunture Solutions takes pride in offering localized support, including training and protocol guidance during the initial phase. Our goal is to empower and assist your staff and management on their robotic journey. We recognize that education and operational support can be pivotal in ensuring a smooth and successful integration of new technology. Your success is our priority. We stand by your side throughout your automation journey with our extended services, ensuring that your robotics function seamlessly and efficiently for years to come. Our mission is to maximize your return on investment. Start your road to automated equipment with Afunture Solutions, your trusted partner in autonomous operations.